Now, once you have a green tick on your Google AdSense, that is, you need a green tick first before you can follow this tutorial. So once you have this green tick on your Google AdSense, now the next thing you need to do is now add your blog to Google AdSense. By the way, I'm Mike Educate. If you are new to this blog, I want you to subscribe. And if you are not new to this blog after watching, please watch to the end to understand how to set it up. Don't skip the video. And then please don't forget, if you are facing an issue, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Let's go right into this video. All right. So this is what you're going to do. Now, once you have a green tick profile on your Google AdSense account, all right, that is on the dashboard. This is what you're going to do. I want you to go on to the section which says add site. You can go to sites and then add a site, but sometimes on the dashboard it's simple for you to use this option, that is the add site. So you're going to click on add site. That is when you have a domain now. All right, or you can even use the blogspot. It will still work for you. Then I want you to copy the domain of your blog. If you have it in mind, good. Then copy that domain. Then I want you to come again to AdSense, that is your dashboard, and I want you to add a link. The moment you add the link, click on save. And when you're adding the link also, I think when you copy it, you're going to get www attached to it. So I want you to remove the www, make it https and in your blog in that manner, yes. Then save it. So once you have saved that, the next thing I want you to go on is go on to where it says connect your site to AdSense. Then click on let's go. All right, so when the moment you click on that, you're going to be asked to verify the ownership. That is, verify your blog ownership. All right, so you're going to click on that. Then you're going to click on next. The moment you click on next, remember, if the AdSense account is on the email that you used to create your Google AdSense account, so if the AdSense account has the blog that was used to create your Google AdSense account, all right, then it should automatically be verified for you. But if the blog is not connected to the AdSense account you used in registering, or the email you used to register the AdSense account, if the blog is not connected to it, it's going to be difficult for you to verify your ownership. So sometimes you would have to use a code to verify your ownership. So make sure before you send in your blog for AdSense approval or for verification, make sure that blog address or that particular blog is found on the email you are using to register for Google AdSense. All right, so once you click on next, if it is connected to your email, it will automatically verify for you when you click on next. So when it is being verified, the next thing you need to do is click on request a review. All right, so the moment you click on request a review, now you're going to see something like your site is getting ready. Yes, that is, your site is getting ready. Then the next thing I want you to do is come back to Blogspot. That is the blogger blog, all right, or the blogger dashboard. Now you're going to see something like earnings around the menu there. I want you to click on earnings. When you click on earnings, now you're going to see something like automatically you see your publisher ID at the top of the earnings, but below it you're going to see connect AdSense. Yes, I want you to click on connect AdSense. All right, so when you click on connect AdSense, it is going to connect your blog again to Google AdSense. You have already verified, so this time connect it from blog settings to Google AdSense. All right, so the moment you do that, now come back to Google AdSense. If you are lucky, sometimes auto ads will automatically turn on. If not, you would have to go on to the auto ads and then edit. Click on the edit below there. Yes, then you continue to make sure you turn on the auto ads. And if you don't know how to do that, no, I think in this video, yes, I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so the next thing I want you to do is click on ads on the Google AdSense dashboard. When you click on ads, I want you to click on the get code. Yes, now when you click on get code, you're going to see a code like this. Yes, so I want you to copy that script. So then after copying that script, I want you to go on to Google Blogger, the blogger, yes, dashboard. Go to themes, then on the arrow click on edit HTML. Then I want you to paste the code that you had from AdSense right below the head tag. Yes, paste that code you have from Google AdSense to the head, below the head in blogger settings for the theme. And once you are done with that, click on save. All right, so once you click on save, the code is going to be added to your blog. That is for the auto ads also, and it's also going to help in the verification also as well. Yes, so that in case maybe you failed with the verification, it's still going to work again for you whilst Google is trying to verify your blog for Google AdSense approval. All right, remember we have already submitted our blog for Google AdSense approval, and we are still working on it with the settings. All right, so once you are done with that, click on done, and when you click on done, again on Google AdSense again, you're going to see something like Ads.TXT status which is not found. All right, so I have provided a code in the description box. I want you to copy that code. Now when you copy that, I want you to go to Blogger, then go to the settings. Once you are in settings, I want you to look for monetization. Make sure you enable custom ads.txt. Once it is enabled, click on custom ads.txt, then paste in that code. Then when you paste in that code, you can go to AdSense again. When you go to AdSense, I want you to look for your publisher ID in the address bar. That is going to be the pub, and then a code that is being attached to it. That is your publisher ID. So you're going to copy that code. Once you have copied that code, come back to Blogger settings again, and then in the code that you pasted into the custom.txt, paste in your publisher code. The moment you paste in your publisher code, then you click on save. Alright, so when you click on save again, now this time it's another verification to show that this particular blog belongs to you. Yes, and Google can go through and then get you Google AdSense approval. Alright, so once you are done with that, then if you refresh the page right now, you are still going to see not found. Yes, it's going to take time. It's going to take you like, let's say 3 to 4 days, and you're going to see something like found. If you still don't see found, don't worry. Google will start working on that for you if you have followed this video correctly. Yes. Then once you are done with that, the next thing I want you to do is, there is a pencil there that is for the auto art. That is at the art section, so click on that. Then when you click on that, I want you to make sure auto art is enabled. When auto art is enabled, now following whatever I'm doing here, I'm turning on all the ads. Yes, for now we want Google AdSense approval. Once we get Google AdSense approval, we can now change the settings to what we prefer for our blog, how the ads should show on our blog. So the main aim here is I want you to turn on all those settings for the ads. Then once you are done with that, click on save. Alright, so once you click on save, auto ads is going to be turned on your blog for you. Very simple to follow. Yes, so once you are done with that, yes, that is it. We have set our blog up for Google AdSense approval, and as I said, it's very simple to follow. If you have followed all these tips, then yes, you are on the verge of getting your blog approved for Google AdSense when it comes to verification, if you have written the right contents on your blog. Yes, so if you are not writing the right content in your blog again also, I have a video for you. You can check, I think at the end of this video, yes, there's a way I'm writing my blog post over there. You can click on that and then watch that video. And that video is going to help you also on how to write blog posts for your blog. Thank you for watching.